nakalimutan mo. Ako ang boss. Hindi ikaw. I have shares in this company. Not you. I have been voted by the board of this company to lead this company. Kaya rumispeto ka. Empleyado ka lang eh. You think just because you're sleeping with my dad, magka-level tayo? Stick to what you are. Isa kang linta. Huwag kang sasabat pag hindi kita pinagsasalita. Hintayin mo ang chance mo. Kung bibigyan kita. Layas! Layas! Hindi kita kailangan. Tingnan ko lang kung tawagan pa.
And cut.